Alright guys, what is going on? It is another drastic day. The Genesis is down yet again. I had to have her towed last night home because it was knocking pretty bad. I don't know what happened. Everything was going fine. I was in traffic and then I just started hearing it knocking. And it was like the same knocking that I had when I first blew the motor. So I didn't take any chances. I called the tow truck, got it towed home. So right now she is just sitting. I'm trying to switch to the rear camera. Hold on. There she goes. So right now she's just sitting in the driveway. I'm gonna start it up for you guys real quick so you can hear her. Here, I'll leave it right here. Alright guys, so as you guys heard, it's knocking a little bit. Sounds like it might be fourth cylinder again. What we're going to do is we're going to take off the spark plugs and check how we did last time just to see if there's any play in any of the pistons. After we do that, we're going to drain the oil and see what's going on. So I guess we'll see if we can set you up right here.
Little movement.
Cylinder one maybe.
Thing with that is, if that is the case, you could get to that one with taking the pan down, if that's what it is.
Alright, we're gonna go ahead and drain the oil real quick and see what we can find in the oil pan. Get under the car. how well you guys can see. Alright, here she comes. Oh, of course I dropped the bolt. So far I don't see any metal shavings.
Oil pan,
If I can.
or you don't want to go that far just yet?
I'd like to remove it and see what's going on in there.
Might have to jack the front up a little bit more
Okay.
so you can get in there a little bit.
So you guys can see a slight haze, but we're gonna drop the pan and see what we find. These are all just little bubbles, but no metal shavings that we can see. All right, so we got the pan off. First thing I didn't want to see was that or that. Let's dig through and see what else we can find. Oh, Austin.
Fuck, dude.
I felt a big oh. Oh my god.
Yep.
Yep, guys.
It's gonna need more than some bearings.
Oh, that's not good at all. Look at all that. I'm just feeling chunks and chunks and chunks. It's not even shavings, dude. Oh, no. Oh, all right, guys. You want to learn how to make your Genesis fast? Don't buy one. That's all bearing material, dude. I still feel a shit ton of chunks, dude. If you put these gloves on and you felt in here, you'd be like, what the fuck? Oh, that's something else. What is that? Oh, no, my lad, that's still, Oh, I gotta send this video to Cameron. Dude, no. What am I gonna do?
Buy a new car. This right here is why you don't get a Genesis.
Dude. What could have caused the bearing to explode like that, though? There's a big chunk right here. Dude, I'm still pulling chunks.
Let me take a picture of this.
Alright, guys, well, I guess the new series begins. Alright, guys, so, dude, this sucks. I don't know where to go from here. I really don't. I don't feel like pulling the motor again, but I might have to. Like, this is all metal inside my motor, dude. Alright, well, this will conclude this video. We'll continue the build series. I'll keep you guys updated on what we're going to do. But for right now, the Jenny will remain down. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Austin, say bye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.